video of Bill Gates drinking water derived from human feces. We've now brought this Omniprocessor to Senegal, where it's doing the job that it was intended to do.
Dakar is a unique city in Senegal. You can have Africa summarize it in Dakar. The bad situation in Dakar, 1.2 million people are not connected to a sewer line. They have their own facility. And when these pits are full, people can call for a mechanical emptying, but can call also for a manual emptying. Manual emptying is very dangerous. They dig a hole near the household and they transfer the sludge to this hole. And the manual emptier is directly in contact with the sludge. When people practice manual emptying, you have some pathogen who can spread out in the environment. This is a possibility of contamination of population. Mechanical emptying is better. There's no contact between the sludge and the population, and you can transfer to treatment plant. Right now, we cannot remove the pathogen. This is why the Omniprocessor is very important. Thanks to this machine, we treat 1/3 of the sludge in Dakar and make pathogen-free. We produce several byproducts: electricity, drinking water, and ash. With this byproduct, we can make business from sanitation.
Les bouts de blanche vont devenir excessivement intéressantes. Parce que ce sera une matière première, comme je l'ai dit tout à l'heure. Ce que je peux conseiller en tout cas aux futurs entrepreneurs qui veulent faire des affaires, ils peuvent venir dans l'assainissement.
When I see this machine, my dream is to change the face of sanitation. In all Senegal, in all Africa. Drinking water is life, but sanitation is dignity.
Over 2.5 billion people have no access to safe sanitation. We asked brilliant engineers to help us solve this problem. And one of those engineers actually has proposed a solution where the waste is valuable.
The Omniprocessor turns sewer sludge, which is kind of nasty, into clean drinking water, electricity, and ash that is pathogen-free. This is where the sludge enters the machine. It goes up this conveyor belt, is fed into these large tubes we call the dryer. That's where we boil the sludge. And in the boiling process, we separate the water vapor from the solids. The solids are now dry, and we can feed them into the fire. Once we have this very hot fire, we can make high pressure, high temperature steam. And we take that steam and we send it to a steam engine. And the steam engine drives a generator that makes electricity that we use for the processor, and also excess electricity that can be delivered back to the community. The water vapor that's created in the boiling process is run through a cleaning system until we have the cleanest, purest water you can possibly imagine.
The sanitation system as we know it in the developed world cannot work in developing countries. So what we need in developing countries is a very simple system.
The entrepreneur that owns this processor will get paid for the input, the sludge. And that same entrepreneur will get paid for the outputs, the electricity, the water, and the ash.
I am very impressed with this solution we're seeing here. It generates electricity, it generates clean water.
It will grow to every corner of the earth that needs it because it makes money every day.
It's water.